Womack and Jones published 2 books about Lean: The Machine That Changed the World and Lean Thinking. In this book, they described the 5 Lean principles. The first principle is to define who your customer is and understand what the meaning of value is for your customer. Lean takes the customer as the starting point, because in the end, satisfied customers are the reason for the existence of your organization and your job. Once you can point out who your customer is, it is also important to be able to define customer value, also called the voice of the customer. The value stream is the operational process, meaning all concatenated activities that ultimately lead to the product or service as delivered to the customer. Not every activity can be classified as value-adding. If a customer is not willing to pay for a certain activity, it is classified as non-value-adding or waste. One of the main objectives of Lean is to identify and eliminate waste. Lean is focused on getting the right things in the right place at the right time in the right amount to achieve a perfect flow. The easiest way to observe flow is to take a look at the shop floor. At one side, you see orders entering the shop floor, while at the other side, you see finished products leaving the shop floor. Employees and equipment are busy adding value to the products or services. The more products are idle or waiting, the less flow is present. If no flow is experienced, there is no Lean. Imagine what would happen if each step in the process produces the amounts that it is capable of without accounting for what is actually needed. This would result in true chaos, with huge piles of stock and work in process between process steps. To prevent this, it is necessary to work according to the just-in-time principle. Activities only take place at the right time and in the right amount by applying pull. This means that the subsequent process step determines the amount to be delivered by the previous process step. Lean focuses on continuous improvement of processes through the implementation of many small improvement projects, also known as Kaizen events. Typical for this type of project is the elimination of waste and the reduction of cycle times. The continuous execution of small improvement steps will result in a major improvement in the end. The main focus of Six Sigma is to reduce variation in order to improve the quality of a product or process. Variation is everywhere. Every process demonstrates variation. The less variation a process has, the better we can predict its outcome and control the level of defects produced. Therefore, Six Sigma has a strong focus on reducing variation. The old approach on quality is about approving the product when it meets the specification and rejecting the product when it does not meet the specification. A much better way of looking at products meeting specification is to realize that a product that performs exactly in the middle of these specifications is better than a product that is very close to one of its specification limits. Furthermore, a process that demonstrates little variation is better than a process that demonstrates a lot of variation.